Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will play with the hair dryer and some black and white and metallic paints. I have copper, bronze, gold and black and white, and as I said, but I'm going for kind of intentional pour. I will try to do a kind of a tree of life, or how can I say, I want some, blowout colors here, and just it's not a stem, what is the word here. So let's see if this will work. I will use white for my background, and I mixed my colors with my pouring medium and water in quite a thin consistency. This will be quite a project because I'm not good with the hair dryer, so maybe the intention moment that I will, go with, just not go with the flow, but do it intentionally, kind of like a tree-like pattern, and I like trees, so maybe this will be something that it will work for me. We will see. If you don't try, you don't know, right? And it's just paint, so don't be afraid. Okie doke, so I will go with black right here for the trunk. I remember the word, and I will do some black. Oof, my paint is so thin. Didn't want to have that here. Okay, and I will do some white on top of this trunk, and maybe some copper. Gold. Bronze. Bronze and copper are kind of similar, so don't know. I will do some black on top. 2. And some white. I think that I had too much black here, so let's try to correct that a little bit. I will stop fiddling. Here he is wet. And we will see how this will dry. I'm kind of curious, but I'm happy with it for now, for the first try.